What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting video. We're going to be changing the speakers on this 2002 King Ranch Ford Ranger. Alright, let's get this package opened up. Now I ordered a set of Rockford Fosgate speakers off of Crutchfield. I'll leave a link to these speakers in the video description. Comes with a little installation guide, some wiring adapters, and then of course the speakers. Now these are a 3-way 6x8 inch speaker. Okay, let's get this door panel on. There's 2 screws that are hidden here underneath the handle, and then one down here in the corner. Okay, once you have these 2 out, you can go ahead and pop the handle up here. It snaps in on the top side, and then you can uncover one more screw right here. Okay, once you've removed this screw, the door panel will slide up out of its holes. Then you'll just slide the door handle shroud through the main door panel. Now we're ready to remove the speaker. It has 4 8mm bolts. Alright, once you get it unbolted, there's just a small connector right here. Push the tab and then it'll come right off. Because Crutchfield is so amazing, they include these free adapters that hook right onto your speaker and then into your factory wiring harness. That way there's no cutting or soldering involved in the process. And just like that, we're ready to reinstall the door panel. Okay, we've got the door panel reattached, so now we just need to screw it on. Okay. Let's get this popped back on. And then the 2 screws that are hiding underneath the handle here. And there goes my screw. Okay. Okay, now we're on the passenger side. Let's remove the screws. All right, plug it in. And then we're ready to screw it back in. Now we just need to put this door panel on and then we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this video helped you out. Be sure to check out Crutchfield for all their amazing deals. Thanks for watching.